Voodoo, also spelled voodoo or vodou, is a system of religious and spiritual practices originating in West Africa. Various forms of voodoo can be seen in different regions and societies, but there are many misconceptions and misrepresentations about voodoo. Voodoo is often associated with witchcraft and rituals. However, voodoo does not literally mean magic or evil. It is also a religion about community bonds, healing practices, and spiritual experiences. Voodoo is a branch of voodoo and has been particularly influential in West Africa, the Caribbean, and parts of the United States. Voodoo includes practices such as conjuring, casting spells, and attaining spiritual goals. However, the important point is that voodoo does not always refer to a magic system that is used for a negative or malevolent purpose. It is difficult to provide a complete explanation of how to make voodoo, because voodoo is a practice traditionally learned from masters and passed down from generation to generation. Therefore, voodoo practices and rituals can be performed in different ways by different communities and masters. Voodoo rituals are usually performed with a series of symbolic items, prayers, dances, songs and dances. Some common elements and applications of voodoo may include voodoo dolls. Voodoo dolls are a commonly known and misunderstood item. These dolls are used for a specific purpose and often represent humans. It is a misconception that it is used to harm babies or cast spells. Magic potions. Voodoo practitioners can use herbs, talismans, and other materials to achieve certain effects. These potions can be for protection, healing, or other intentions. Spirit summoning and communication. Voodoo practitioners may perform rituals to communicate with or summon spirits. Visual and auditory elements such as dancing, singing, drumming can be used in these rituals. Origins of voodoo. Voodoo or voodoo is a religion that originated in West Africa. It has its roots in the Yoruba, Fon, Yu, and other ethnic groups, particularly in regions such as Ghana, Nigeria, Benin, and Togo. Spirits and laws. According to voodoo belief, there is a series of spirits or divine beings in the universe. These spirits can interfere with people's lives and be contacted. These spirits are often referred to as Loa. Prayers and rituals. Voodoo practitioners communicate or interact with spirits using a variety of tools such as prayers, songs, dances, talismans, and rituals. These rituals may be performed to carry out a specific intention, to provide protection, to cure diseases, or for other purposes. Voodoo dolls. Voodoo or voodoo dolls are a widely known and misunderstood item. These dolls often represent a particular person or energy. It is a common misconception that it is used to harm or control babies. In fact, babies can be used more for protection or healing. Potions and talismans. Voodoo practitioners can use potions and talismans that they obtain from plants, minerals, and other materials. These potions and talismans can be used to obtain certain effects, provide healing, or in purposeful spell work.